guys, welcome to Motovlog number 10. I am riding my bike after almost 3 months now. It's been a long time since I've ridden. Lots of reasons, good ones, not so good ones, all personal though. So, but it's good to be back on the saddle, and it's good to be back on the camera. So I have been missing all the Sunday morning rides since end of November, December. I thought I'd go for the one today morning, but I somehow missed that as well. So I'm doing an evening ride now. It's about 4:35 in the evening, and it's a solo ride. I thought I'll just do a short round within Lutyens zone and talk to you guys a bit and kind of get back to the grind. And the idea is that these motovlogs and general videos should start now, coming from this weekend onwards. And I hope I can be regular. In spite of the weather getting really warm now, it's starting warming up, and I'm dreading the summer. The way things are going, seems like it's going to be a harsh summer, but we shall take it as it comes. Heading towards India Gate. So another reason I thought I'll start my vlogs from today was a few hours ago I noticed that I had crossed 50,000 followers on Instagram. Thank you guys. Thank you for all the support and all the love, and keep following, keep sharing these videos, keep liking them. Encourages me to make them. I am not, as I've said before, I'm not the most confident when it comes to talking to camera and then reflecting it all on a screen, but somehow with the positive response that I've been getting, it's encouraging, and I enjoy it. So thank you guys, thank you a lot. It's good stuff. More to come. We'll try and make some more exciting videos in future so that I can keep you guys interested and it does not become monotonous and repetitive. It's good that the weather in the evening is still pleasant. During the day it's getting really warm. So on the bike at this time I thought it might be a little warm because the temperature was around 30, but the breeze is still cool. So once when the bike is moving and when you're on the move, it's pretty comfortable. It's fun. I haven't done a city ride in years. I've been restricting myself to Sunday morning rides or outstation trips. City rides, obviously, look at the amount of traffic. Huge dampener, but that's how it is. I love this part of Delhi. The absolute green belt. The roads I think are the best. The maximum number of trees, super green, never major traffic. I think the cleanest part of Delhi. Market now. It used to be nice when they used to have this thing open, the road through Khan Market, but the traffic and the crowd is so major at Khan Market, they had to close it off. I think before the weather gets too warm, should do an outstation trip maybe to the hills. Should be fun. Because once the bike went off. Once the weather gets warm, it's difficult getting out of Delhi because the plains, riding on the plains is almost about 4 to 5 hours before you hit the hills, and that's excruciating. But let's see if I can plan something in the near future. We'll plan, and that'll be a good one because that'll probably be one of the first outstation trip vlogs that I do. So it'll be fun. Race Course Road. Here we are. Shanti Path, always pretty. Love the flowers, love the greenery. So my ride's come to an end. I have just crossed Honda Stadium on my way back home. I've done about 25 kilometers, about 45 minutes of riding within the city. I didn't vlog much, didn't make sense, a lot of distractions, a lot of traffic, but I enjoyed riding the bike after so long. It's such a joy. It just frees your soul, you know, it's Zen mode for me. Thank you guys. We'll catch you in the next one with the rest of the group, which would be a bit more exciting to watch. We'd meet new faces, we'd meet old ones, we'd rekindle the brethren, and it'll be fun. Ciao, till next time. You guys have a great week. Catch you next weekend. Bye.